Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Step into this gorgeous 4 bedrooms, 3 bathroom home, ideally located in the well-appointed community of Avesbury Avenue, Kingston. The home boasts a booming garden area, beautiful state-of-the-art lightings, and exquisite kitchen equipped with plenty of storage, counter space, and bar stool setting options. The living area is spacious with plenty of windows for natural light and ventilation. The property is well kept with incredible landscape in front and back. The land area of this house is approximately 10,728 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $57.7 million or US $375,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.